one cool nuance you can apply to your kick drums during build-ups is using a cue to make them like a bit lighter, so like change the tone and the feel of them. So let's listen to this build-up. So it's really subtle, you just have the low mids kicking in, it glues nicely together. So let's listen to it without. I mean, it's still okay, but it doesn't fade in a way I kind of enjoy 100%. So that's a really simple tip. Consider like automating stuff on individual instruments as well in your build-ups, especially the main one. In this case, it's the kick drum. So I just applied these EQ, low shelf, cutting the lows and making everything a bit airy only for the kick drum. So you can have sort of asynchronous effects during the build-up. So it's not like a really global and bland effect going all together. You can have stuff, intertwined stuff moving during the build-ups, and it makes things a lot more interesting and you have more controls over each detail you want. So that's it. Hope it inspires you and see you in the next one.